Going back to California for some reason, apparently, I only found out recently. Apparently this was a few years old, but I only found out, like, while researching top stories for this video, or this episode. Apparently, there's a rule called Prop 47, and it will result in no jail time if you steal something that's under $1,000. Or, I'm not really, okay, I'm not a lawyer, I haven't done too much research, but I will let a lawyer from a law firm explain what this law does.
In November of 2014, California voters voted in Proposition 47. Proposition 47 changed the way that we handle drug and theft-related offenses in the state of California. It doesn't only apply to future crimes. It also applies for anybody that is currently serving a sentence for a Proposition 47 offense. So what that means is that if you're currently on probation for an offense, or if you're in custody for an offense involving a Proposition 47 case, or if you're serving a deferred entry of judgment as a result of a Prop 47 conviction, then you are eligible for relief under Proposition 47. Proposition 47 changes the way we deal with theft crimes. It creates the crime of shoplifting, where before we would treat shoplifting under Penal Code Section 484, which is petty theft. Now there is a new code section exclusively related to shoplifting that makes it a straight misdemeanor, meaning that you can never be charged with a felony, as long as the amount that is alleged to be taken, it does not exceed $950, it is more or less always a misdemeanor.
Yikes. That's just gotta crush small businesses. I mean, why would you open a business though in California? I understand them opening small businesses because you've got like some Californians who are like, hey, I have a dream, I want to open up this business or this shop, and thanks to this, now that's just gonna...
Mark, TJ Maxx, the latest chain here to be targeted by those brazen thieves, the suspects walking in and simply loading up bags of goods and walking out.
That looks great. Hold on.
Dropping hangers as they make off with their illegal haul. This viral video of another brazen heist is the latest in a growing rash of retail robberies.
It's pretty scary. It's scary because they're just so brazen now, and they're just, it's things that I've never seen in my life before, and it's really, times are changing.
In most cases, employees and customers simply watch in disbelief. Too dangerous to try to stop the suspects. A Rite Aid clerk in Glassell Park lost his life, shot and killed by two thieves.
Organized crime retail theft has become a $30 billion criminal industry that often uses the illicit proceeds that they get from that to fund other crimes.
Today, Governor Gavin Newsom signing a bill targeting the rising retail thefts by organized gangs. The law extending the CHP's Retail Crime Task Force.
Millions of dollars was put in the budget to support these efforts in anticipation of the success of this legislative effort. Those dollars codified, and those dollars now are available.
Look at that.
Police and retailers blaming the state's lax penalties for the surging smash and grab crimes. Opponents of the governor, who is facing a recall election, taking aim at his record on crime.
Thieves are robbing stores without consequence. People are getting mugged on the streets, and murders are at a 13-year high. What has Gavin Newsom done about it? He supported decriminalizing theft.
I have seen a lot of commenters bring up this really genius notion that all you need to do is just put things as like $1,000 and then give customers who walk in like a loyalty discount, and then you give them your intended actual price. Someone try that, please. One of you business owners, you have to try that. I think that might be the only thing you can do.